no need to feel down. I say, put yourself off the ground. I say, 'cause you're in a new town. There's no need to be upset. There's a place you can go. I said, young man, when you're short on your dough, you can stay there, and I'm sure you will find relief.